I'm feeling a little movement tonight. It's currently 12:40 in the middle of the night. My gym is still open, so I'm feeling we hit the gym tonight a little bit. I'm feeling a little movement, if you feel me here. I've been meaning to do one of these gym videos for a while now, but I just never had the heart or the time to do it. I always feel weird filming at the gym, but I figured it's the middle of the night on a Sunday. Nobody should be at the gym, so I should be all in the clear to go film there for a little bit. And if anyone's there, I will politely just try to keep them out of the video, because I don't want to be, this is the number one reason why I've never filmed actual gym videos, is because I'm weirded out by the fact of filming other people at the gym. Like, it's their private space, well, it's a public space, but like, I'm not trying to be intrusive or end up on Joey Swole on a TikTok of me filming someone by accident, and yeah, I wouldn't know how to handle that situation, so it's just best to avoid it. But tonight presents a very awesome and unique opportunity where I feel motivated enough to go to the gym, and it's also late enough where I won't bother anybody, and it's nice enough to where I get to ride there and no one else is riding tonight, so it's all on me. So alright boys, motivated. This is a semi-warm startup of a 2022 Yamaha MT-07. Stupid cameras are so lame. I mean, there's nobody else on the road, but I'm not breaking any laws right now. It's like, fine, this bike doesn't complain. This is why I've been putting a bunch of miles on this bike this year. I bought this bike with 200 miles on it, I think, right around. I'm at 3,000 now, dude. Just ticked over 3,000. I can't stop riding this bike just because of how easy it is to just hop on and go. Just such a perfect little bike. I mean, I know I get a lot of beginners who watch my page that text me all the time, like, what bike should I get? This one. Get one of these. They're just the best. They're so full of soul. They're so cheap. Yeah, they're terrible, like subjectively and objectively terrible. Terrible suspension, terrible chassis, but terrible brakes. Like, everything about it sucks. Besides the engine. The engine's probably the best part about this. And even over 70 miles an hour, this bike engine completely runs out of power, and you're like, it's like a 300 at that point. Ooh, that's the Burger King. We're gonna go on the sidewalk for a second here. Look at that supermoto type thing. I wanted to get a thumbnail. I'm not really sure. How do we get a thumbnail here? Yeah, let's see that. No one saw that. Nothing more motivating to get you to go to the gym at 1 a.m. than a woman. Let me tell you, I had absolutely zero motivation to get up and go today, and I'm like, you know what, crap, I forgot a microphone. It might end up being a very short video, because I don't really have any way of recording my voice while I'm actually lifting, so I might just have to like voice over it. It's not really any cool factor to that, and it's like a terrible gym thing to do, but I'll give you guys an idea of what my sets look like at least. So this gym, you just scan in the middle of the night, and you can just walk in. So what I'm not going to do is lift with my helmet on, so I'm going to go through this. Maybe I could get away with it, not to begin with. I'm gonna go get my pump first, and then maybe bring the helmet cam out. We'll see. Well, this is the most helmet talker thing I've ever done in my life. I can already see the memes. Being made about this for forever. This is so stupid. So there's still very clearly a lot of people at this gym, and so I kind of found like my own little secluded corner away from all the people working out to try to respect their space. And we're gonna start doing a little chest. Now, I hit chest about 2 days ago, last time I was here, so we're just gonna be doing a little refresher since I really want to hit back tomorrow. I actually really hate hitting legs, and I just prefer to like ride my bicycle around, which I still get a massive leg pump from that. It's just way more enjoyable than hitting legs, so let's just hop into this and quit yapping. So I'm doing these like slightly raised up barbell press, whatever. These are one of my favorite, like Arnold-esque workouts. These are solid lift, solid chest pump. Like I said, we're gonna be keeping it short today because I don't want to be seen around here wearing my helmet on. Whoa, this is so awkward. Whoa, 3, 4. It's so hard to breathe with the helmet on too. I can tell you, I chose 60s for this. First of all, I can't see what I'm doing with my form with the helmet on. And for these, I usually don't like to go over 70 pounds. Mainly since I lift for reps, not so much ego lifting, like lifting as much as you can. As much as I love working out with my helmet on, I can't do it all day. Oh my god, there's people over there. I don't like people. So after hitting your chest pretty hard, next workout I'm doing is this is one of the last workouts I can actually do over here that doesn't involve a machine. We're going to be grabbing a dumbbell and just bringing it up. I know this is more of a back exercise, but I've always included this in my chest workouts just because it feels natural to me. And it was what I was shown by a bodybuilder many years ago, and it's just why I always included my chest workouts. After that, we're going to be doing these like dumbbell raises things, which is like works a little bit of your chest, again, a little bit more of your back, but it's fine. It's also a little bit more of the shoulders as well, and that's always a good thing. Let's get to it. Helmet on, of course. Helmet talker activities, right? Whew. Hit about 12 of those. So hit about 12 of those. I always try to aim for about 12 to 15 reps. I try to go for reps over weight. That's just what I found works for me the best, and that's what I've come to actually enjoy. And I think that guy's filming his workout as well, so my way of doing it is way more cringy. Okay, since I put the helmet away, the last workout I'm gonna do is gonna be this like big chest lifty thing. I don't know what this is called, so that's just what I'm gonna call it. And then of course we're gonna finish up with the cable flies way over there. So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna wrap up, and then we're gonna get out of here. I'm willing to admit today was pretty weak, but that's simply because this is just a warm up for tomorrow. I hate having to come here so late. I'm not used to working out this late. It is currently 1:53 in the middle of the night. I'm very tired. Still managed to get decent pump going, but it is what it is. We're gonna get out of here. Forget anything? God, that was the most cringy thing in the world. I had such a difficulty filming this. This is why I don't do gym content, man. Because I'm so used to like the motorcycle, like the content cycle for that, the grind for that. Just coming here, basically filming how I film my TikTok, trying to film like actual gym content. It's tough, bro. It's alright. I like to think we learned a few lessons here today. Number one, I have to get an actual microphone, like a little clip-on mic, so I can film and talk without my helmet on and actually film my sets. But I wasn't going to figure that out until I actually came here and tried to do it, so I'm glad I did. Dude, I hear there's people all the way over there. Let's go investigate. I'm very curious what those people are doing. It's Sunday night. It's 2 a.m. on a Sunday night. Coming out of my shell a little bit. It's a little hard to do, if I'm quite honest with you. It makes me a little bit uncomfortable just because I'm not used to filming like off the bike. The bike makes me feel more comfortable, so I'm definitely getting out of my comfort zone a little bit, and I'm still working on it because I think it's a really important thing to talk about, because I mean, I talk about bikes in such a healthy and positive way. I think it's only fair to show people, oh, if you like bikes, get into the gym, or if you like the gym, get in the bikes. Like, there's a lot of crossover between these two hobbies, and I think it's something more people need to discuss and talk about. What's my temperature? 111. We're fine. Okay. I usually don't like to just immediately take off on my bikes. Let's see what these people are doing though, because this seems... What are they doing? I gotta do a double pass. I'm gonna see what this place is on the first pass. Oh, it's like a bar. They're just hanging out. I've never seen that. Huh. I've never seen people crowded outside of that place before. It seems so small. God, I don't know if I should even talk over this bike. It's music. This bike is just pure, that little pop too. It's pure music, it's pure sound. I just realized I'm kind of waking all these people up. There's a cop right there too. Is he gonna follow me? Nah. That's crazy spot though. There's the cop sitting right there. I was about to do like a massive pull too. I just gotta enjoy the downshift pops on this thing. It's just like, oh my god. That's how you enjoy a 270-degree parallel twin. It's just like that smooth pull, and then the pops coming off of it. It's just, yeah. I geek about this bike, but this is not a hard bike to get, bro. You can just buy this thing. Ooh, these things are mass produced. You can buy them everywhere. Dude, every car I see is gonna be a cop, isn't it? This is gonna be a cop. This is 1,000% gonna be a cop. Yeah, it's a cop. That's what's cool about riding at 2 a.m. is just every car you see, you know is gonna be a cop. You're just like, oh, there's no one out tonight, so that's gonna be a cop. Let me out of here. I don't want to get pulled over. Oh my god, dude, look at that. Another one go by. I'm just being like surrounded by cops, bro. Like there's another one that just went by. What's going on here? Well, that's 3 of them. I don't know how many are on shift, but it can't be more than 4, right? There's got to be at least 1 more. I swear, it's as soon as I pull out the camera, they're all just boop, 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 everywhere. Just, all right, boys. With that, I'm going to end today's video. I think we filmed a nice little video today. I don't know how long it's going to be. It's probably going to be pretty short just because the gym stuff is not exactly what I wanted it to be. But we learned a lot. I need to get a portable mic. I need to get some proper gym recording equipment before I start filming gym content. Or do you guys prefer just the pure riding content? Let me know. If you want to see more gym content, throw me some ideas of what you would like to see from me. I just try to guess what you want to watch, and I just try to film that. Oh, there's a little kitty cat. Come here. Hi. I'm friendly. I'm friendly. I'm friendly. Come here. No. Don't cross the street. It's dangerous. There's no cars. You'll be fine. Why are you running? Where are you going? Oh, come all the way over there and get you. I'm taking you home with me. You're coming home with me. Where are you going, dude? You made me turn the bike on, dude. Come on. Why are you running? Where are you going? I'm gonna get you. Come here. Which side are you going to? This one? I can come to that side. He's running. That's a cat, right? That's not like a raccoon or something. That's 1,000% a cat. He's running to that boat. Alright, well, that's someone's property, and now I can't touch you, so... Looks like he's got a little home under there anyway. Alright, I'll leave you alone. You seem like you know what you're doing. It's still middle of summer. He's got plenty of time to find a home. Anyway, like the video, subscribe, guys. I love you. Hit the like button if you want me to get a cat. How about that? I'm kidding. I'm allergic. I'm not getting a cat. Love you. Bye. I'm out.